Hello everybody, I'm Stoika from Blaster Suit, and in the last 10 years we've been developing video marketing software and doing video marketing software. And in all these years we started to start signing private clients. Private clients like plumbers, electricians, fitness centers, you name it. We've ranked videos and did video marketing for them. Now we just signed a new local client from here, from Romania, from Timișoara, our hometown. And because, in Romania the prices are not that high, we decided to give him a huge discount because he agreed to let us shoot this whole video and show you a case study what we are able to do for our local clients, and so you can see exactly how you can do the same, and achieve the same kind of results and deliver the same kind of results to your local clients too. In this video series we will show you how to pick the right keywords, how to write how to write your titles, descriptions and tags, and get your videos ranked on the first page. Plus we will also show you how to create websites for local clients, because for example this local client contacted me and wanted to work with me because he wanted me to create a website for him. But I explained him that these days having a website is not good anymore. You need traffic. If you just leave your website in there, nothing will happen. You're just wasting your money. So I explained him that I will offer him the full package. I will create a website for him, but I will also drive traffic to his website and bring him clients. And the easiest way to bring traffic to a website, it is through video marketing. So in the next video I will show you exactly how to dominate a local market using videos. Are you ready, guys? Let's begin. So we just signed a new client. He's offering service for central heaters. What is a central heater? Let me quickly show you what it is, because we will talk a lot about central heaters in this video series. So this is a central heater. Basically it's heating the water that goes to your home. Okay, so I'm not a real expert in this field, so we will just use Video Marketing Blaster to research the best keywords and find long tail keywords and related keywords to target. Our client told us that his main keyword is service, central heaters, Timișoara. Timișoara is the city where we live. So I will just write everything in Romanian. Service, centrale termice, Timișoara. Okay, perfect. Let's click on research and see what keywords Video Marketing Blaster is suggesting us, because as I told you, I'm not a real expert in this field, but I'm sure that VMB will help me. Okay, let's check this out. The main keyword is service, centrale termice, Timișoara. Very good. The next suggestion from VMB is service, centrale termice, Timișoara, non-stop. You know what non-stop means. That is perfect. Again, the third keyword is service, centrale termice, Bosch. Bosch is the brand, is one of the biggest brands who is doing centrale termice. It's suggested by VMB. This is super good keywords. Firme means companies who offer service for central heaters in Timișoara. Excellent keyword, I love them. Service, centrale termice, Junkers. Junkers is again a brand that is actually, I think, that is owned by Bosch now. So it's a super good keyword again. This one too, because this is good, but we don't really have Timișoara in it, so we will not go with it. Intervenții rapide, instalații sanitare, Timișoara. This is more about plumbing, and our client is not offering this kind of services, so I will not select this keyword. Now check out all these keywords. All these keywords without this one, this one too. All these keywords are about service heaters plus the brand. In Motan, Lamborghini, Ariston, Ferroli, Vaillant, all these are brands. So these are super good keywords because we will deliver super targeted traffic to our client. Again, reparații Reparații means repairs. Very good keyword suggestion. I didn't think about this one, but this is a really good keyword. Repairs central heaters in Timișoara. Perfect. Or repairs central heaters Junkers. Junkers, the brand in Timișoara. Super good. Super good. So as you can see, even if I don't know anything about the niche, Video Marketing Blaster will find the best keywords for me. Another trick that I like to do is to search the main keyword that we have, for example, in our case, Centrale Termice Timișoara, with a bigger city. Let's try with Bucharest. Bucharest is the capital of Romania and it is a way bigger city than Timișoara, so probably we can find other keyword ideas by targeting Bucharest, and we just take the keyword ideas out of there and we replace Bucharest with Timișoara, and bang, we are doing, we're targeting the best keyword. I didn't write it good. It's kind of hard for me to write in Romanian, speak in English, and yeah, sometimes the keywords will just get messed up in my head and I will write it wrong. Okay, so we have companies for service central heaters in Bucharest. I think we already selected that for Timișoara. This is a really good keyword. I didn't think about it, and it is, and for Timișoara it wasn't suggested, but I think that this is a really good keyword. It means installing central heaters. Very good, right? Repairing central heaters Bucharest, but actually they are saying central Bucharest, because here in Romania we sometimes we just say centrals to central heaters. So everybody is using this term. So it's a very good short-term keyword. We will just have to replace Bucharest with Timișoara. Very good keyword. Oh, this one is super good. Revizia. Revizia means time maintenance central heaters. Very good keyword. See, this trick got me 3 new keywords to target that Google is not suggesting for Timișoara, and I couldn't think about them. So I'll just copy everything, paste them in a notepad. Let me just open a quick notepad in here. And I will just replace Bucharest with Timișoara. You do that by pressing Ctrl H and you will see the replace window. Find what? What do you want to replace? Bucharest. With what? With Timișoara in our case. Click on replace all, boom, we just replaced Bucharest with Timișoara. That is perfect. Perfect. Now let's move to the video details part. Okay, as I told you, there are two ways to generate the video details. We can either copy all the keywords and click on from competitors and paste them in here, because as you can see we already have them with commas separated, or we can, I will just create for one single keyword. Okay, for one single keyword we will generate it using Video Marketing Blaster. From competitors. So Video Marketing Blaster will just analyze all the competitors, will analyze Google, Yahoo, and so on. Will get and will try to write the content for you. We'll write the own content and will target whatever keywords that Video Marketing Blaster will think that you should target as secondary keywords for this video. So everything will be done for you. This is a very good way to start when you're to start video marketing. But when you are a bit more advanced, probably you will want to write your own, let's call them templates, your own titles and description templates. That's why we introduced in Video Marketing Blaster from templates feature. Honestly, me and for my clients, I'm using more the from templates feature. But when I'm trying to poach a new niche to see if it is working, only in those cases I'm using from competitors. As you can see, in a snap, we got not really a snap, in 40 seconds, 30 seconds, we got a very good title, description, and some really long text. Okay? But let's take a look at the from templates feature that I told you that I like most. In here, I hope that you watched the training video from Video Marketing Blaster, because in there we are explaining exactly how this feature works. I won't go into all the details right now because I want to keep this video as short as possible. So we will just create a new tag. A new tag is basically a placeholder that can be replaced with any value that we want. Let's create the placeholder named keyword. You just have to put it behind, to put it between square brackets, and automatically the tag will be created for you. Let's say keyword, and automatically the keyword will be replaced with the keywords that we want. And in the middle we have to enter some content. Let's say let's put the number of our client so everybody can see it, and give him a call: 0799160344. Perfect. And repeat the keyword one more time in the title. As I told you, we always have to repeat the main keyword in the title at least twice. In our case, the keywords are pretty long tail keywords, so we will repeat them only twice. If we would target short-term keywords, repeat them 3 times. 3 times, it won't hurt your rankings. Even more, it will give you better rankings from my tests. But because we will target a lot of keywords, I recommend to use spinning format in here. So we can just spin this part. So people will, so each time we upload a new video, it will have either the phone number or some random text. Let's just say authorized service, or let's put the name of the company that we are creating right now the campaign for, Term Comfort. I'm looking at the business card that they gave me. Okay, that's why I'm looking in that direction. After that, we have to start the description with the main keyword, and after that, call to action, right? For more details, I have to write in Romanian. For more details, give us a call or visit our website. But I will just write it really quick in Romanian. The phone number in here. Or visit. Again, I'm writing in English. Okay, after that, in here we will have to enter some random text. You can just take it from Wikipedia and enter all the tags that you want in here. Easy as that. I will just fast forward this thing a bit until I create this template, but this is the idea. Okay, so we have our template created. Everything is perfect, and now all it's left to do is replace the keyword tag in here. Let me just quickly paste the keywords that we have. Okay, now it worked. Okay, so as you can see, we have all the keywords in here generated. We generated titles, descriptions, and tags. Now all it's left to do is export all of them for live event Blaster and rank them on the first page and make our client happy, because we will deliver them ultra highly targeted traffic and phone calls. So see you in the next video.